cut the seed bank, save the burning and the labour, get the nutrients back in the paddock. That's basically what I'm looking for. I'm Craig Larke. We're 20 k's northwest of Corrigin, Flowerdale Farm. We're looking at 4,100 hectares of cropping this year. Continuous cropping, been that way for 12, 13 years. Semi-controlled traffic, yeah, trying to get full stubble retention. Depending on conditions, basically. Frost and real heavy straw loading can tend to, you have to back off the header a little bit. And the second thing, you need a header with good horsepower requirements to make sure it keeps the mill and everything running up to speed. So we've got a Class 7 S670 and it's running at 100%, 110% engine load all day. Larger motor in this, so we're going from the 9 litre to the 13.5 litre. More horsepower, it's running at 70, 80%. The header can take it. Been running chaff cart for 12 years. It's certainly getting easier, but yeah, to go to that 10 or 12 days to get another 700 hectares, it was going to push it out to a 3-week job. This method's just turned out it's going to hopefully be simpler. It's a little bit slower harvest capacity, but pretty much once we finish today, it's dealt with. Creates a few more options for us. Post-harvest, we got paddocks that are completely clear, no obstacles. We can run speed tillers if we want everywhere and not have to deal with chaff piles. Don't have to deal with the burning. There's been a lot of research with the mills and the nutrients in the straw going back in the paddock. There's a nutrient benefit there. Cost-wise, it's slightly more expensive than a chaff cart, I suppose you'd say, but we don't have livestock, so we don't have any need to feed off the chaff piles. It's a simple system, 3 belts and a right angle gearbox, and the mills are running. Yeah, no oil requirements, hydraulic cooling. Yeah, it's very simple. Probably just a bit simpler than the chaff cart in the long run. We've dealt with it now, it's finished. It's a non-chemical option, using a chaff cart or a Terminator option. Very minor resistance. I mean, everyone's got Group B, SU chemical resistance to a degree, hoe grass, your FOPs and your DIM chemicals. So yeah, a mechanical control like this is just another option. You're never going to beat the weeds. Just got to keep onto it and try not let any get through the system.